Shalom, Mishpucha. I just drove my husband to his job site for the day, and we are in some of the most beautiful, lavish estate home complexes I've been in a long time. It's beautiful. And the sky is clear and blue. Hallelujah. And the temperature is mild, and it's just beautiful. And I started feeling so blessed, and a song just welled up in my heart. Every promise in the book is mine. Every promise in the book is mine. Through the sacrifice of Messiah, I've been grafted in the vine. Every promise in the book is mine. Every promise in the book is mine. Every promise in the book is mine. Through the sacrifice of Messiah, I've been grafted in the vine. Every promise in the book, every chapter, verse, and line. Every promise in the book is mine. Every promise in the book is mine. You know, the scriptures tell of a day when all unrighteousness will cease. Evil deeds will be done. They'll be finished. The men who seek to dominate others and rule others and oppress the poor and seek to grind them into powder, gone. Methods of making war on people, weapons sales, and selling to both sides of the battle and profiting from the oppression and war, gone. I'm looking forward to that day when the Almighty Father seats the Messiah on the throne in Yerushalayim, and his ways and the Torah will go out from Zion, and the earth will know what it's like to be ruled by righteousness. Every chapter, verse, and line, we've been grafted into the family that follows the Torah, that upholds the Torah, that lives by the Torah given to Moshe. And every promise, should I decide to abandon and rebel and fight against God's ways, well, there's a day of wrath and judgment that's been promised. Every promise in the book. And I don't want those promises coming to pass. Like Moshe said to the people, Yehovah is setting before you death and life. Choose life. Today, I'm embracing all the promises that belong to a person who will seek the face of Yehovah, turn from their wicked ways, and follow his paths. Shalom, Mishpocha.